You're a trader and looking for the cutting edge tools and to take your trading to that next level. You don't want to miss out on this next project. What's going on, everyone? This is FutureFinance24, and they've been on all sorts of major websites from MSN to CoinSpeaker. So they just say so many nice things, and they just show you how to actually trade and take your business to that next level. So as you can see, simplified financial solutions, comprehensive financial education, user-centric approach, all sorts of good reviews for their company. We can go through the same thing with Future Finance on CoinSpeaker. They just pretty much say how easy it is, why you should use their tool. And so I'm going to go over the platform FutureFinance24 on why it's the game changer for traders. So let's go over this platform because they have so much going on: trading rooms, markets, account types, everything you would need. As you can see, they have some amazing stocks, commodities, Forex, bundles, everything you could use to unlock your potential, as they say right here. There is real service and support 24/7, fast and transparent, and just great tools and technology. I'm actually going to show you my account here in a second and how easy it is to sign up. But as you can see right here, true potential for CFD trading with Future Finance 24. And their nice little chart here. Trading tools, like I said, this is how easy it is. Open a free trading account in a matter of minutes, deposit funds safely within a range of secure payment options, and then start trading your portfolio. So right here, all you have to do is go to the very top, go ahead and open an account and sign in. So I'm actually going to use a VPN so that I can actually do this because unfortunately they do not like the United States, but that doesn't stop me from using a VPN to actually get access. So I'm going to go ahead and open up account. As you can see, just clicking open the account at the top, and here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my information. We got our first name, last name, email, phone number, and then my password here. And then finally, we're going to go ahead and click on submit. Boom, and here we go. We can see that it is registered and automatically it takes us to our account. So as you can see, we have quite the dashboard here, quite the easy to navigate. Account summary gives us our account details, what our currency is, personal information, just like the normal stuff here. And then deposit, super easy to deposit. Just choose your payment method, and then internal transfers. And as you can see, you have your different information here, account number, trading number, and then transactions, which we haven't done anything, so it's not going to be there. Withdrawals, you can see the denominations and the options, crypto wallet, and then obviously our wallet. If we have any questions, and then documentation, so KYC, just to verify who you are. And then obviously all of the tools. So trading room, if we go into that, we have our actual dashboard. So you can see our balance, equity, the trades that are open, the trades that are closed, and everything. It's pretty easy. We have our graph here, buys and sells. Just scoot this over. As you can see, we have pretty much everything. Buy, sells, place orders, minimums, favorites that we can use, cryptocurrencies, and there's a lot of them. Dash, Ethereum, Gala, XRP. We got some BCH, ADA, pending orders, closed orders, just the typical stuff. We have our buy and trades, pending, sells, shorts, take profits, profit and losses, all that you could want at your fingertips. Super, super easy. So this is just how easy it is, and it's just nice to use. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys on the